you know that over 90% of the internet is hidden from regular search engines? That's right. The vast majority of the web is lurking in the shadows, inaccessible to the average user. But what exactly is the dark web? And why do so many people use it? Stay tuned as we dive into the mysterious world of hidden internet and uncover the secrets that lie beneath the surface. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet that is not indexed by traditional search engines and required special software like Tor to access. It's known for its anonymity and privacy, make it a heaven for whistleblower, journalists, and activists who need to communicate and share information without fear of being tracked or censored. However, this same anonymity also makes it a hub for illegal activities such as black markets for illicit drugs, weapons, stolen data, and counterfeit money. This dual nature of the dark web, offering both a secure space for privacy and a marketplace for illegal activities, create a sense of intrigue and mystery. People are both drawn to and repelled by the dark web, making it a topic of endless curiosity and speculations. The dark web is often shrouded in misconceptions and fears, primarily due to its association with illegal activities and cybersecurity threats. One common misconception is that the dark web is entirely illegal and only used for criminal purposes. While it's true that the dark web hosts black markets for illicit goods and services, it also serves as a vital platform for privacy-conscious individuals, including journalists, activists, and whistleblowers who need to communicate securely and anonymously. However, the dangers of the dark web cannot be overlooked. It is a breeding ground for illegal activities such as drug trafficking, weapons sales, and the exchange of stolen data. Additionally, the dark web poses significant cybersecurity threats. Users can easily fall victim to scams, malware, and phishing attacks, which can lead to identity theft and financial loss. The anonymity of the dark web also makes it difficult for law enforcement to track and apprehend cybercriminals, further contributing to its dangerous reputation. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet that requires a special software like Tor to access, making it different from the surface web, which is indexed by search engines and easily accessible. The dark web's structure and anonymity provide a secure space for those seeking privacy, but also pose significant risks and challenges for cybersecurity and law enforcement due to its association with criminal enterprises. One of the most compelling and high-profile cases illustrating the dark web's sinister side is the story of Eric Ian Marcus, the operator of Freedom Hosting. Marcus ran what was considered one of the largest hosting services on the dark web, which was used to host a variety of illegal activities, including drug markets, money laundering operations, hacking groups, and millions of images of child abuse. Marcus believed that the anonymity provided by the Tor network would protect him from law enforcement. However, in a groundbreaking investigation, the FBI managed to break through the layers of anonymity and locate a crucial server in France, which eventually led them to Marcus in Ireland. His arrest in 2013 marked a significant victory for law enforcement agencies, demonstrating that even the dark web's most elusive operators could be caught. This case highlights the dark web's potential for harboring severe criminal activities and the ongoing efforts by authorities to combat these threats. In conclusion, the dark web is a complex and controversial part of the internet, providing both a secure space for privacy-conscious individuals and a marketplace for illegal activities. Its anonymity makes it a haven for journalists and activists, but also poses significant risks due to its association with criminal enterprises and cybersecurity threats. The story of Eric Ian Marcus and Freedom Hosting underscores the dark web's potential for severe criminal activities. Balancing the need for privacy with addressing its dangers remain crucial. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the dark web. Leaving your comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.